Ready to move your crypto off Coinbase? Let's dive into a quick and easy guide on sending your digital assets to another wallet securely. First, log into your Coinbase account and click on the Send button. This is usually located on the main dashboard or within the asset you want to transfer. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to send from the drop-down menu. Make sure you choose the correct one, as different cryptocurrencies operate on different networks. Now, carefully enter the recipient's wallet address in the designated field. This is super important, so double-check every character to avoid sending your crypto to the wrong place. You can also use a QR code scanner if the wallet offers that option. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send. Keep an eye on the displayed transaction fees, as these can vary depending on network congestion. Review all the transaction details on the confirmation screen one last time. Ensure the address, amount, and fees are correct before proceeding. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, and you absolutely should, enter the verification code when prompted. After confirming, you'll see a transaction confirmation page. Click on View Transaction to monitor its progress on the blockchain. Keep in mind that transaction times can vary depending on network congestion. Once confirmed, your crypto is safely on its way to its new home. You have successfully sent crypto from Coinbase to another wallet. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks.